Trump's second term, Failing to Deliver on Promises by AZLAN ADNAN. Despite sweeping back into office with fiery rhetoric and lofty promises, President Donald Trump's second term has been marked by a growing sense of disillusionment, even among his base. Trump's 2024 campaign pledged sweeping reforms, ending the deep state, revitalizing American manufacturing, restoring energy independence, shutting the southern border, increasing employment, and reducing inflation. Yet, over 4 months in, tangible progress on these fronts remains elusive. One of Trump's signature promises was to drain the swamp, targeting bureaucratic overreach and alleged corruption in Washington. However, his administration has struggled to implement meaningful reform. Key positions remain vacant or mired in controversy, and promised purges of federal agencies have stalled under legal and institutional pushback. On immigration, Trump vowed a total border shutdown and mass deportations. While enforcement has intensified, logistical, legal, and humanitarian challenges have hampered large-scale removals. The border remains a flashpoint, but not the impenetrable wall he pledged, either physically or administratively. Economically, Trump heralded a return of jobs to American soil, but employment growth has slowed. As of May 2025, unemployment stands at 4.6%, up from 3.8% a year earlier. Inflation, which Trump pledged to curb, continues to frustrate households, hovering around 4.2%, far above the Federal Reserve's 2% target. Consumers face high food, housing, and fuel costs, while promised tax incentives for U.S. manufacturers remain stalled in Congress. Trump's aggressive foreign policy tone has also yet to translate into significant wins. Trade negotiations with China have stalled, and relations with allies remain strained. While Trump's base remains vocally supportive, cracks are emerging. Many expected bold action, but the early months of his second term have felt like more bluster than breakthrough. With time ticking, the question remains, can Trump transform rhetoric into results, or will history remember his return as another missed opportunity? A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed now seek the skies, and slowly clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again. Its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.